to insert any particular link of video, you can see
Yeah.
here under insert tab, you can see under media, there is online video. Find and insert video for a variety of online sources. If you click on this, it will ask you to enter the URL, right? So just go to YouTube. And if I want to insert yoga for beginners, right? Let us take this small step of this. If you click on this, now you can see, wait, youtube.com watch. This is there, na? This link at Google tab. Just click, select that and copy it. Come back to your Word document. Enter the URL or embedded code on the video. Just click here, select insert. That's it. See, that particular thing will come here.
Okay, sir.
In insert tab, go here, media, select, give the link, insert. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Next, you asked me to show the screenshot. Na? See, here there is an icon. Illustration. You can see there is a take a screenshot is there. Right? Screen clipping has come into picture. Now I want to take some screenshot. For example, I want to take this particular small thing. Just drag it. Till where you want, you can drag it. You can drag it like this. And automatically the screen will reflect in the screen here. You can see here. In insert, select this and drag it. That's it. The moment you do, this will affect. Similar way, yesterday I took this screenshot, right? The same way today I have taken this particular screenshot. This you can drag, see, like this. Both screenshot, this is one video you are seeing today. Anything else? Do you have any doubts regarding yesterday's session so that we can go with a very quick?
Like banners and posters you said, no, sir? Poster making can be done with some example.
Poster making can done. Banners like, see, for example, you can see on the top, this is a cover letter. This is a poster. MS Office program workshop I have given, Moksha IT. This is like banner I have prepared. This preparation can done from the page itself. In the here, initially you can see in the left hand side insert page is there. Na? If you click here, you have cover page. Okay. If you select, you can see different types of posters. You can see. See, if you are preparing for project, you can use of this MS Office program. You can use of this. See, Moksha IT. One second, let me go on the top. See, this is company name, address, what program you done, what is a workshop. This is very simple manner. If you want to give more differently, you can use this. Right? Program. So different cover letters you have in the option under cover page, you can select. This is one more thing. Abstract. Basic program on MS Word and Excel. See, you can insert any other pictures also here. Instead of this road, you can take any other picture by selecting these pictures. If you have any downloaded, you can select, else you can go to online also. There is nothing wrong in that. Online, you can have to select online picture and you can change it. For example, I want to change it to, okay, graduation. Insert. Now you can see the picture has come. You minimize the size of the picture to the normal size. Because you are a graduates. So like this, you can insert on cover page. So different cover pages will available on insert tab under page, cover page. This is the one, right? Apart from this, you want more, go to office.com, you will have more, right? This is cover page preparation.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, once explain superscript and subscript, no, sir?
Superscriptor and subscript. 1 second.
Yes.
Did I told you yesterday superscript and subscript?
Yes, sir, you said, sir.
1 second.
Font.
1 second. Okay. This is superscript 10. This is superscript. This is subscript. Right. So here, what I can do, for example, let me take one. Okay,
X
here.
square you type it, sir.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
X square and X square. I'll just do
so
one
that
thing. Swaroop.
make it bigger font, sir.
Yeah.
So that student can see.
Yes. Good eye hospital near habits. They do. Okay. Now subscript at racked eye surgeries with 100% success rate. This is subscript, right? Next, superscript, you can select. They have 2 branches in city. Oh, because it has taken normal. 1 second. They have 2. I'm sorry.
So once explain heater and footer also.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Branch. Swaroop Eye Center is good eye hospital near habits. They do. Cataract surgery is a subscript. It means under the word it will come a little, and superscript will be just like a square. X square, A square. That is a model. This is a super and subscript. Just selecting X square and X subscript and X superscript. For this, you have to use it. You can see here. For this, you have 1 second. 1 second. Control plus equals to, if you press, it will come. For example, I have norm. Now it is normal. Gauri Shankar is a control plus, control equals to Ali trainer and control plus, you can see here, there is a short key here, control plus shift, control shift plus control shift plus. Okay. Swaroop accountant, like this. Subscript and this it will come. Okay. And remember this is subscript, is this superscript, is this is normal. Apart from this, header footer, you can see here header. See, header page is initially it is top. Actually, it is not there here. Okay, very good. So what I can do is the complete paper, all the pages, whatever we inserted in this word, select this header. If you want blank, you can select blank. If you want 3 column blank, you can give 3 column blank. Austin method, banded method you have. So just select blank one. If you select blank one, you can type it here. See here. Right? You can insert or you can put logos. Whatever you want on the header level, you can put it. The same time, the footer will also open here. Yesterday I kept footer, King Koti Road, Hyderabad. Right? Whenever it opens here, you can see here. This is a header and this is above page footer. Right? It will be under insert only, header and footer. Okay. And you have page numbers as well. Bottom of page, you want to give like this page 1. See, you can see here footer 6 page, page 7, 8th page, 5th page, 4th page, 3rd, 2nd, and 1. The first one will be cover letter. So by default, it will not count. Like this, you can do it in insert tab by using this page numbers. Right? This is still here. Yesterday we have seen, right? Okay. Now let me close it. You have page numbers, you have footer, you have header, everything you have. Now designs. So this designs is nothing. I'll just show you. It is extra different types of font. For example, here it is there. For this, if I put this design, it changes. You can see the design is changing, right? Just like your font document formatting, you're just formatting the document according to your requirement. 1, 2, just like your textbooks, you can design heading, title, heading. Okay? This is design. Apart from this, you have colors, office colors. You use this different colors. Green you have. I have selected blue. And font, if you can see different fonts, again it will show. You can see it's keep changing. The moment I'm just scrolling down, it is keep changing, right? This is font. This font and in home font almost similar, but still you can design your paragraph according to your requirement more effectively. You can use this. This is para spacing again. The same you've seen in home, right? A little bit of paragraph spacing here. The same thing will have more advanced version here in paragraph spacing. No space, compact, tight, open, relaxed, double. Right? If you want custom para spacing, you can do it like this by giving left, right hand side, after points. I mean, you can adjust according to your requirement by giving space left and right hand side. You can give it here, right? And if you don't want this, remove it. Next, you have effects. See, this effects also you can put. For example, I want to put milk glass effect. Just 1 second. Let me check with the color. Here it is black, no? I have taken this blue. Now let's go to design, effect. Insert. This effects will reflect on word, particular word. If you observe properly, these effects can be seen. Glossy. You can see here glossy. And this affects, I mean, the word effects will conduct according to this effects. And next you have watermark. Yes, for you, this is very important, watermark. For example, you prepared, right? I want a watermark on this document at backend side. Then I'll put this watermark. This is confidential. Do not copy, right? You can give your own. You can see at backend. See, the watermark is there on each and every paper. Confidential, confidential. For very confidential document, we'll put this watermark, and nobody should edit it. That is why we'll put this watermark here, right? You want custom watermark, you can do it. Instead of confidential, I want to put this. My company branding. Moksha ID. Apply. Right? Close it. Now you can see in backend it is there Moksha IT. See here very clearly the watermark is there. This watermark you can custom. It is like Calibri and auto size is there. Diagonal. You want horizontal, you can horizontal. Now you can see it is there like this. Moksha IT. Every page it will be there as a watermark on each and every paper. You can see here in the back end also. See, every page it will be there. Like you can put horizontal or diagonal, however you are required. Do not copy, do not copy. Right? This is a watermark effects which you can give to your page, and page colors. You can give colors to the page also. For example, if I want to color a particular page, for example, let us take the first page. I will keep one color. This is the first page, na? I want to put this page as this color. It is affected, and it is affected every page, and one color or dark it is there. Texture, I can put those textures. You can see in the back end. You can design with the different textures. So these are the parts where you can design your own. When you become a startup of your company, you want to design your menu, or you want to do some presentations. See, this is a texture I have given, stones texture, right? Instead of color. And you can do fill effects different with this, with fish, water, aquarium kind of. So however you want, you can do it by using this texture under page colors. No colors, nothing will come. It's just a plain white paper in the back end. So background also you can fill with colors and textures. Page borders. See, this is a page border box. You want to put box, you can put shadow, you can put. I have given shadow. You can see here, the box has come here. Every page will have that boxes, right? So page borders you can change. 3D you want to give, you can give 3D also, right? These are different textures you can see here. And yesterday I added comment. That comment also you can see in the right hand side. If you click this, see this comment is for this. You can see here. Just I'm given one comment. Meeting ID. This is yesterday. What is this? This is a logo. For this, the text comment, whatever you give comment, it will come and affect in the right hand side of the system. Okay. This is a design. Next you have layout. Margins. This is normal, narrow, moderate. This will help you out to take the printouts. For example, you can see here margin I'm given normal. If you see Control P, see, this is your print preview. Right? It is under normal condition. So okay, fine, like this it will come. Some cases you will have bigger sizes. So then it won't accept, right? So if that is in that such scenarios, what you have to do, you want to custom it according to your requirement. How? Here only, here this is narrow, moderate, wide, you have mirrored, you have Office 2003 default. This is the first version. But here, if you go here, page setup, you can see here. If you go here, click here, you can set your paper. Before taking printout, you can put a portrait or landscape, or you can prepare paper according to your width size. You can increase or you can decrease. Height also you can increase or you can decrease. It is letter format. You have tabloid format. You have legal format for legal documentations. right? Whenever you go to sub-register office or when you go to legal, like advocate, they will producing the legal papers, which will be normally bigger than the size of A4, right? So if that is the case, you can select the paper sizes by default: letter, tabloid, legal, executive, and A3 size. Generally, this A3 size will be given to the, uh, construction of apartments, the layout, right? They'll design the layout. The civil engineers, these people design the layout, and that will be taken print out on A3 size paper, which is much bigger. You can fold up to 4 to 5 times, right? That print also you can take. And A3 default is 11.69, height is 16.54. By default, it will be there in any system. Okay. Next, you have different envelope size also, you can see, right? Envelope size. If you select this, okay, you can see this is the envelope size, where you can fold and insert in envelope and you can send it to your concern address. Envelope size means the print will take only up to this border. This is envelope size. Okay. So these are can be done in this paper, and this is a layout. Header size also it is 0.5, and footer size is also 0.5. If you want to increase, you can increase header size. There is no limit of increasing. Up to 2.53 you can increase. You can decrease also if you want. Less than 0.5 you can take up to minus also. 0. It means the complete 0 paper. Means there will be no header for this page now. If I select this, if I kept 0.5, it is common header by default. The system will take when you double click on header folder under insert tab. See, you can design very simple. The sizes will be appropriately. You can do it here. In the layout, you have papers, you have margin also. You can set top. You can put 1. So let me put what I'll do. Top, I'm selecting 0.95, 0.5, 4, 2, 1, 0 I given. Just I say okay. Some margins are outside the printable area of the page. Try moving these margins inside the printable area. Fix. Okay. 0.33. You can see the margins on the top. See, for example, here I have taken, let us go here, margins, let us take 1. Say okay. Now you can see that small slight difference here, margin, right? If I click enter, it will go up. If I say it is here, this margin also you can set up, right? These are the page setup sizes where you can set up top, bottom, left hand side, right hand side you can do, and gutter position. It is like, for example, if I say, you can see the left hand side gutter, this particular line will change. See, the position will start from here. Okay, so this gutter I will make it normal again. Okay, I'm increasing it now. So let me decrease it. It is 0 na, so let us make it to 0. This is a whole document. This is a landscape. The print will come landscape. You can see landscape has come. Means the width will increase now. The width of the paper is increased under landscape. If you select portrait, the length of the paper will increase. It changes to portrait. This generally everybody knows it. Very small topic, the printing thing, right? So next you have orientation, portrait and landscape that we already seen now. Sizes, letter, tablet, legal, A3, A4. This is A4 size, very bigger size, right? I mean A4, it is A3. This is, see, you can see the page actually normal, it should be normal page, but it has increased width as well as length of the paper. That is A3. So you can select normal letter. This is a normal letter. Generally we will use it, right? Next you have columns. You want to add one column, 2, 3, left, right. So if I say 2, you can see 2 columns are there. Every side it will take 2 columns. See, the one column has left here because I have partition divided it. See, like this. If I say size columns, let me take 1, then it will become normal. You can see the pictures will be under one column only. See, the page is not disturbed here. See, it doesn't mean that you have to use only one column. According to your requirement, you can use 2 columns. You can use 3 columns also. For example, let me take one new page. In this page, I want only for this particular page, if I want 2, 3, I am Srini. Awesome. The moment I give space, it will come here. Under one column only. Now it has taken to the second column. And MBA finance background from University of of Madras. Now the second column I'm used in this paper. Once you finish the second column, you can go to the third column. An SAP FICO consultant. Working as director in Moksha. So in one page, I have added 1 column, 2 column, 3 column. It means when you prepare brochures, in A4 size paper, very simply, you can add 3 different columns. You can insert, or you can type words, or you can put pictures in it, and you can fold it. So you can prepare your own brochure when you require. By using this 3 column or 2 column you can use, or left hand side you can use. It will come completely left hand side only. Okay, like this. See, only left hand side. If you use only right side, it will go to only right side. If you keep it as 1 column, then it will be normal. 1 column is normal. In 1 page only it will take. This is the columns, and these are the breakups. Page breakup marking. See, you can do markings. So this page breakup is simply according to your document. You can give the breakups. Right. Next, you have columns, text wrapping. 1 second, where is this text?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma.
So how are we supposed to move from one column to another?
By using tab.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. Next, lines, continue lines. So you can see 62 lines continue. You can give lines also. Every topic, wherever it starts, you can give line numbers. Reset each page. Means every page it will start with 1. Restart means restart each session. Means every session it will restart different sessions. But here we done only 1 session, so it is taken from the topic 1. This is 2. This is 1. Right. And if you want to line numbering options, each line you can give numbering options also, like this. Each line it is taken. This is line numbering. None means
page numbers, no sir.
None means nothing. Not page numbers, ma. It is line numbers. Means each line, for example, you written 10 lines of paragraph. You want to give each line numbering 1 to 10. By default, if you select this, for example, you can see here itself. I'm just giving continuation. You can see 40 is this line, 41 is this line, 42 is this line. So every space, wherever you can add lines, you can add it. Just like question paper, you can prepare 50 to 60 questions, you can write it. And select after preparing questions, you can give this line numberings. If I say
Okay,
none,
sir.
it is nothing.
Okay.
When a word runs out of room, word normally moves it down to the next line. Generally, we know, right? For example, if you see here, hi, I am Gauri Shankar, an MBA postgraduate working for Moksha and visiting faculty of 13 colleges in see, automatically after particular word ends here on particular line, it will shift to the next, right? This here, if I say none, nothing. If I say automatic, then it is taken here. If I can put this manually also, hyphenation is complete. Okay. For example, if I kept here, you can see a difference here. Here it is ended here, but for next line it is ending here. Okay. Now I'll show you more in Twin Cities for teaching SAP, Tally, and MS Office. Supports SAP team for implementation and end user. Yes. See. Now I'll show you here. See, this hyphenation is this. If I select this here, automatic, it is taken automatically. If I take manually, it's complete. This is manual. You can see here. Okay, let me show you. Here also there is a word, right? So it will take, when I select manual, see. From here it is starting, means here in this line, the word can extend up to here because it is a manual. In case if you do hyphenation for automatic, then it will take only up to the fitting the page. You can see here. Only up to this line it will take. It will not exceed this line because you are taking automatic. Automatic means according to the MS Office configuration, it will work. If you select manually, it will go extend. So by default, people will put none or they will put automatic. Right? This is a breakup space setups. While taking printout, it will help you out. That's it. Only for taking the printouts or for splitting the breaking the pages into one page into 3 columns or different one page into 2 breakups. Right? So this is a page setup. After that, you have paragraph. This is intent and spacing. Again, it is quite same because you already seen here left space, right space. See width here, margins, left
Sir,
and right.
once again explain hypermarks, sir.
Hyphenation. Hyphenation.
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
hyphenation, basically what happens when a word runs out of room. See, if there is a room, there is a 20 people are there. If they are restricted for 45 hours to sit in a class for 20 people should be there in that particular room. Okay. Generally, when a word runs out of room, in that room, it is only content for 20 people. I cannot give more than 20 people. I cannot insert one more guy into that because that room capability is only for 20. So automatically, when I select this particular hyphenation, what happens? Word normally moves it down. Immediately, one page, if you are typing 10 words in one line, immediately the 11th word cannot fit in that room. It automatically go to the second line and it continues. Okay. It continues to the next line.
Sir.
When you turn hyphenation, word hyphenates it according to your requirement. Why? Because see, this is there. I said hyphenation, word hyphen, it instead. Just like you see in books or magazines, helps create more uniform spacing and save space in your word. It helps you to give more space. For example, how I can say, like, I'll give you 1 second. I'll just show you here. The Word document is there. Na? See here. Hi, I am Gauri Shankar Srinivasan, an MBA. You can see here, because it is selected hyphenation, it comes under the similar line. This one word can fit, but I cannot use it. So it has reached to the next line. It looks similar to your magazine or textbook. Okay. There will be no extra
Yes,
lines, right? Added. It will be in the proper
Yes, sir.
spacing. Okay. That for that reason we'll use this. Apart from this, nothing. And this is intent and spacing here. You have spacing is always same. See, left side body text level 1. I say okay. This is a body text. For example, it is there. You can see here in paragraph group I'm going. Level 1 have body text. It is normal. If I select level 7, okay. It looks the paragraph setting spacings. Okay. For example, body text is normal by default. After it has 8 points, let me reduce it's 12 points you have. Let us take 12, 14, 18 points. Okay. Spacing I added afterwards 18. The spacing will only reduce auto. Do you want to set default alignment intending spacing of paragraph? This document only. See, right? I have set for auto. If I increase this 6 points, 12 points, slight spacing difference will be there between these two. This after this, the spacing difference will be there between first line and second line according to this. Before, after. See. This is before. Before you can find out easily why, because you have less spacing between here, this both header and the paragraph. But after means it reduces because you have so much of space here. Okay. So for example, let me take increases after spacing. See, there are so much of space. That is why it is not affecting immediately. But before you have 90 points, see the space. It is shifting up automatic. Fine. This is what spacing, which we can do even in home also. Home button also we have this spacing. See the same remove space or after space. This is the 2 columns and it is elaborated version is under layout spacing. That's it. Okay. Next you have some references. Table of content. You can create a contents name, number of table content entry found. Right. So consultant, you can give different table of contents. So basically table of contents we will be using for example, if I want to say some training program, I want to give you tables, right? This is a introduction, the introduction page of your textbook, first page. The similar way you can different table of contents, you can use it. Headings, there are tables, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter title. These are the table of contents. So you can use this also. Under references, you can use this table of contents, automatic table. That's it. You can use this. Okay. And apart from this custom table also, you can do it like this heading style one, however you want, you can create it, but it is not a big deal. Just you can use the available table of content chapter wise. When you prepare your project, like then definitely you might doing projects in your final years, then it helps you table of content, what project you did, right? What is the title of your subject? What are the different chapters you studied? In each page you can give this. This will be your second page of cover page. The cover page is your first page, right? Second page will be this table of content, right?
Like in the textbook, sir.
Pardon?
Like in the textbook, sir.
Like, same like in your textbook.
Yes, sir.
Same, just like your textbook, right? Next here you have add text. You can add text also here. See, the moment it says add text, I can give like a SAP 5 and SAP Go means subheadings, right? Like this also you can give. No updates are there. Okay. Next you have insert footnote. If you want to give any note here at footer level, right? So for example, I say note this workshop is important for everyone who needs to be work on computers. This is a note I want to give. Then this insert note. Okay, I have given one note, right? Next footnote. This is show notes. Only notes will show.
Students, this you find in textbook, you see definitions on the top one, they will write, that one will appear down. What is the explanation of that author and all you'll find in textbook. This footnote will be useful to give explanation about a particular word or a person.
Or a person.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me. Yeah. So this is how you'll be working out. This is footnotes, right? So here you can insert, you can next you can give, or you can show notes, whatever you want, you can do it in this footnotes only, but it comes under down bottom of the page. As madam mentioned, you can see in your textbooks, sometimes you'll have important formulas there, important sum, right? So like this, you can give it. This is smart lookup. Looks like you didn't select any text. Please select a word. Okay. For example, I select, I closed it. Smart lookup. I think yesterday we have seen this smart lookup, right? How to run a workshop. See.
Yes, sir. Yesterday you covered smart lookup, sir.
Yes. See, coronavirus, all latest or updated uses will be there according to that web search, right? This is also research. The similar way research. You can start, if you want to read people, for example, I can say US results. Now it's a hot topic in the market. So US results, relevant topics, it will come. United Nations States 2004 leaderboard 18, all news regarding US presidential elections. If you select that, that particular thing will be here. You can move it to left hand side corner, or you can put it here, or you can resize it, and you can keep it this research. We are doing this research. If you open this size, you can increase and you can read whatever you want. United States president, right? So this research can also be done by selecting this. Now till here you know, fine. Now let me tell research ho gaya. Now insert citations. Type of source is book, book selection, general article, report. So whatever you are typing, it's a book. You want to find the author. For example, MS Office. An MBA Finance Office, it has come down.
Students, this is used for your project at the end, citation, and also you have to give references according to particular format. But computer itself, it is showing, as sir is showing you, check all of you, observe it carefully.
See, type of source I'm given, book, author name, for example, I say Gauri Shankar. Okay. Author, title will be MS Office, year 2020, city Hyderabad. Publisher will be, for example, Moksha. Example. Right? Unsure. fields. Now select OK here. You can see here Office Shankar 2020. Right? So in this page, you can see the author. This is like generally when you prepare the books, the author details will be there. Na? In your textbook, you can see author, regarding author title will be there. So wherever you want, you can give it. This is known as ciations. 1 second. Here it is there on the last page I am selected. That is why it is showing last page. If you see that Amit Tripathi, that book readers, generally you can see Amit Tripathi has written so many books. His name will be there, which published here will be filled here. What is the book title is Office. That's it. Next you have, see, manage source, Shankar Gauri, MS Office 2020. Right? You can copy it. It is already there in the list. You want to delete, you can delete it, deleted. You can add new, you can add new. See, create source. Now I'm deleted. I said, okay, I don't want to add new. So if I remove it, it will go. Insert again. If it will be here, Shankar Gauri MS Office page. Select, it will come. Right? By default, once you added, it will be here. So only Office, it will come only Office. Okay. And even it is also having some styles. See, Chicago, ND will come. So different.
Students, our project is APA style only. Usually we'll use it like
APA.
BCom projects.
BCom project will be APA style. Then we'll use it only APA 6th edition. That's it. Okay. Next you have bibliography here. So generally this bibliography, you can see like, I will give you one small example. I'll show you. You can see bibliography examples. This is the APA style, reference based sample. You can see reference. Generally, when you are doing the projects, from which book, which author you are find it out, the last page, the references you will give, right? This is known as bibliography. This is reference. Hayborn, DM 2008, Philosophy and the Science, Subjective Well-being. So first author name and his details, second author name and his details, third author name and details, fourth author name and details. These are the 4 references you are given in your project. So this helps you out. Also here, see, this is a bibliography you are given, ND Office Shankar. This is only I selected. For example, if I want to add one more, for example, Mr. Bhaskar, entity data, senior delivery head. Okay. Oracle technical. Right. And next you have Mr. some X. Okay. You can take Mr. Harinath, Fujistu Corporation. Right. Oracle database. So I can just reference I'm giving. So this is comes under bibliography. So that you can add by selecting bibliography, and different references you can give. This name will change reference. And if you select works cited, right? And so different you have, right? Scroll down, work cited, you have references, you have bibliography. All looks similar. The pattern, the only heading you can change it according to, but the style will be APA. If you want, you can do different styles are there in the system. You can use according to your requirement. Fine. Next. This is figure 1. 6. So total 12 pages, unknowingly, right? So after that, you can edit the pages, whichever you don't want, you can remove it. You can edit like suppressing the items and all. Next you have see text 1, text 2, text 3, figures 1, figure 2. So generally it will come on the table of content only. After table of content, the heading will be there. After that, the text will be there. It means for chapter 1, you might have general ledger accounting. Chapter 2, assumption of accounts and concepts. Chapter 1 only, sub chapters. Like that, you can give it here, texts. Okay, see here. You can see here figure 1 has come here. For example, I say general ledger accounting, right? And figure 2, you can keep some other accounting, again balance sheet or profit and loss account. So however you want to figure it out, you can figure it out by selecting this option called table of figure dialogues. Okay, and this insert cross references. I have selected insert cross references paragraph. Next number. I cannot. So you can see the paragraph number is changing on the top. 2. It is showing 2. See, close. Here it is paragraph number. It is showing for reference called this FI. You can see here 1. If you click on this right side, see, I'm not given anything. By default, it has taken from the numbering where I have done here. Where the numbering I have kept here. Na? After this only it will come. Now it is 4, 5, 6. You want 7 also, it will come 7. So that's it. This is all about numbering and all. This is main entry, bold, italic, mark. Let's see. This is cross references. See, okay. Now it is marked. You can see every page it is been marked. Dot. You can see every word there is a gap dot and the filled with the pi. So I'm giving the marks. I just don't want to give marks, so you can just cancel it. Control Z. One second. Insert. No. Let me go to home. Demark it. So this mark again coming under references as here. Okay. Next, you have the main topic called mailing. This is very important. Remember, this is normal basics. Till references, it is normally everybody can do. Once they sit in the practice, just they have to do their research. Go to each tab, do it. Click on file, click all the options and see what system is happening. Go to home, check each and every items there and find it out. Next, you have insert. The similar way design layout, references. Everything is common where you can do there. But mailing is something different where you have to merge with something else. Right? So before that, envelopes. You can create an envelope also. See, this is a delivery address name by default from your system. It has taken. Okay, fine. Very good. Now you can. Okay. Here I have said return address name. It is asking. For example, return address name, plot number 70, Sai Puri Colony, Sainik Puri. That's it. If I say print, do you want to save the new return address as the default return address? Yes. So in OneNote, you can see here, the system has taken you to prepare an envelope. I'm sending to here. As per the envelope column, the envelope front page you can take. You can take print. Instead of going and purchasing from outside, you can take one A4 size printer, paste it, prepare your own envelope, send it directly. It will transfer from Word to Quick Notes. Just close it. This is an envelope creation. Sending mail, you will need an envelope. You can choose the size, format, and address, and add electronic postage also if you want.
Once again, sir.
This is the add electronic postage. You need to install electronic postage software before you can use this feature. Would you like to visit the Microsoft? No, I don't want to do that right now. If you want, you have to install this electronic postage also. Just remember. Yes, madam.
Envelopes and all, once again you.
Yeah, envelopes is like generally we'll use it for posting purpose. Okay, so I'll just show you. Go to envelope. Here it is there, delivery address. For example, let us, if you want to change the delivery address, for example, some address will take 1 sec. Okay, LIGB 86 Dr. A.S. Rao Nagar, Secunderabad, 5,94. Sorry, 62. This is a delivery address. And here return address. In case the person is not available, it should come back to us from address. Return address is nothing, it's a from address. Okay, 5,94. That's it. Delivery address by default, it will come in case anything is there in the system. Else, you need to type it here and give return address. Just click on this, or you can see the preview also. Okay. Print. Do you want to save the new return address as a default return address? Yes, I said. The moment I say yes, in OneNote you can see this is a previous one. Okay. And this is a current one. Two labels are there. Two envelopes are prepared in the quick notes. This invoice is different. This is our extra part which we did later on. Everything will come to OneNote. And if you want to send it automatically via electronic device, then you have to click on this particular add electronic postage. But the electronic postage will added only once you have the software called electronic postage software before you can use this feature. That you have to download from Microsoft Office web directly. But I don't want this, so I am just written it. This is e-poster. This e-poster option will use only when you have this particular software in your system. Else, this option and this option will you cannot be used. Omit, print. Now you can see I selected omit and print. There is no return address on the paper. In this envelope, there is no return address. Here it is there, here it is there. Because in the third one, I omitted it. I just selected omit. If you select omit, it will go. Unomit, the return address will come. That's it. And this is the labels again. The same full page of same label you want. Okay. You say print. For example, you see how does it is going to work out. See, the same address is printed as label here in the page. This is one page and this page. So what you can do, for example, you want to send multiple names. For example, you have 100 people address you are inviting for your wedding or for your Gopravesh or from your college function. You can use this label option. You can use this label option to mention their addresses here. Full page labels. And this is envelope. This is label. Right. Microsoft 1/3 letter postcard, it is option. So you can take new document. See, it is there. You can add links and all. Full page. And one more thing you can do in mailing. If I go here, labels. Number of rows, only I selected single label. Number of rows, let me select. Number of columns 10. The rows column value is too large. Okay, fine. It is let us reduce one only, it is accepting. Full page, it is not allowing. Okay, single page. 1 second. 30 per page option is there. You can see 30 per page. So select OK and select print. See, 30 per page it will take actually. It is going to Word document. Okay. Quick notes. So basically you can do this labeling correctly. Where I'm sorry. See, you can see 30 labels here. 30 columns total overall together. It means 10 each row. You can type address, for example, plot number 70, Saipuri colony, right? Plot number 71, Inkoti. So you can give 30 addresses in one particular page. This option is also there under mail. Okay, this is letter. So, for example, I want to send it email message. Just select. 1 second. Let me go to here. Select email message. Hi, I am so and so. I am so and so. It has come here. Total 345 words selected in this complete document. Okay. This is the email page. This is email message you selected. Send email message to a group of people. You can personalize the email message that each person receives. Click next to continue. If you click on this, use the current document. Yes. Use an existing list. I don't have list, so you can browse it. Here, if you have list, it will take you. I don't have list here. So what I can do, I'm just canceling it. So next, your email ID. For example, okay, 1 second. Can you give, somebody can give me 2 mail IDs?
Should we, sir?
Yeah, you can give me 1 or 2 mail
Okay.
IDs.
Yeah.
Let us test, na?
One, sir. 1 2
1 2
1 4
1 4
2 0.
2 0
1 minute, sir. 2 0 4 0
Okay.
1008
Hmm.
@
Hmm.
Joseph
AOS.
JOSEPHS
Okay.
college COLLEGE
Hmm.
.ac.in.
Let me save this file. This PC. Mail IDs. Save. This PC I saved some mail ID somewhere. So let us test it now. It is asking to write a browse. So browse, I can file name. Oh, it is, I need to put it in the Word content. Note, Office device. Okay. Have given email ID. No, it is not there. Mail IDs. Open. Sheet. Okay. Yeah. 2 numbers. Okay. Click on next. Just clicking next. Preview your email ID. Okay. Next, complete the merge. Electronic mail. Mail merge is ready. Proceed your email message. To Gauri. Send mail. Send anyway. Let us see what system is happening. It is asking for Outlook. So then you have to configure your Outlook here. Right? Once you configure the Outlook, then the system will send automatically to concerned person directly. For example, I want to configure this Gauri Shankar here. Email ID I want to give as US Gauri, rate of gmail.com. Password you have to give. Select next. It is connecting to the Outlook. Basically, in real time, when you are working for a companies, generally those mails, everything will be under Outlook only. You cannot directly browse the company IDs and the company inboxes, everything cannot directly you can do on Google. You should be configured to your particular mail. Okay. So it will take some time anyways. I'm just canceling it because you understood, right? The Outlook is there, then it can be allowed. Into Outlook only, we will see just electronic mail. If you click on this from Outlook, merge to email, then it will send it to the concerned person. That's it. That is the 2 steps. You can add some people name sort. For example, if I want to add Mr. Gauri, company name, address. So you can add list of people's address 1, address 2. For example, if you're working for a company, you can add your employees details and all everything here. Home, phone, work, email address, everything you can add it. This is for recipient, but I'm not having, so I'm cancel. So you can add recipient, use an existing list. I have only existing list with me is like in documents, I have mails open. That's it. This is the existing list which we are having. Edit. So you can see both members are there, 1, 2. Gauri and you. And this is a sorting, like date wise or filter wise or however you want. You can ascending order or descending order. You can filter it with the names, right? This is filter. Individually you can filter. Okay. Start recording, ascending order. Okay. But this particular three fields will help you out whenever you are having Outlook installed in your system. Microsoft Outlook 2016. This profile is asking us to create name. So this is a creation. Anyways, I will show it to you once I create that mail personally, and I will merge this mail and send it to you in front of you guys between next workshops, so that you'll understand exactly, okay, we done everything, just after merging how it goes to that consent mail ID. Just you want to see that. That's it. Next, address block. See, this is addresses and greeting lines. You can add greeting lines also. Dear sir or madam, to whom it may concern, right? Or you want to add it extra, you can add it. Match fields. So it is all like, it's in your hand actually. Just like how you open your mail ID and you type greetings for greetings of the day, Mr. Gauri Shankar, you are called for interview for job description of SAP FICO for so and so, so and so, so and so. The similar way you can do it here also, but only thing that you're not directly logging into the Google, you're doing in the Word. From this Word, you are connecting to the Outlook with your proper Gmail ID or whatever the mail ID, then you are sending it to concerned person. That's it. Instead of going and attaching, you are using the same document as a mail merge. That's it. Right? This is the insert merge and rules. Merge record, sequence you can merge, next record you can do. Only this recording will be done when you have multiple email IDs to be sent. Then you can use these rules. Okay. And match field. Suffix name, prefix name, address of every people. Like for example, we will say Joseph Fest is happening in your college, and you want to send invitation to thousands of people, right? So by using this option, you have to add your like initial setup. It will take some time. Why? Because the thousand of people, you need to take their details and you need to write it, and you can send directly mail from this mail merge from Outlook. It will go. Thousands of people, you can send the invitations, right? By adding the list of the recipient. You can see the list of the recipient. If you add it, then automatically will come. Right. This, as I said, right, title, name, everything. If you add and you keep it ready, you can send directly to the thousands of people of invitations. Right. So for that, you can see the matching fields are what are their common. Every details will be here, just like application. That's it. Okay. This is a mailing. Finish and merge, edit individual document. From period to to period also you can do it. From period to to period also. It means, for example, last 3 months you are done like 10 to 15 documents in the last 3 months. You want to send everything? Yes, you can send all the records. Last 3 months, 15 different documents also you can send it by giving the period range from 1st April to 31st. Like this, you have to send it. Okay. That's it. Fine. This is the previews. You want to find recipient, for example, what is your number, ma? 18? Some number you said. I just given.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is there?
1 2
Okay.
1 4 2 0
1420
4 0
40.
1 0
There are no more entries, content type. Click on first name. Okay. All fields it is showing. I say SUS. Sorry, let me check. Not there. Okay. Office it will be there. No. Why is an office? Okay, there is no proper recipient. It is there. Already it is under list. It is showing only one. It is not getting. Anyways, we will see. And check for errors. Complete the merge, pausing to report each error as it occurs. Simulate the merge and report errors in new document. Complete the merge without pausing the reports. So these are the three options are there for checking the reporting, whether it is having error or not. It complete checked. You can see here. It has created new document actually. It completed and created new document. Right. Next we have, no, we'll close this. Don't save. This is ours. Right. Close. Next, review. Review is like spelling and grammar checks. You can see if you select that, it will show you everything. See, this is how the spelling checks will be there, not in a dictionary, and it is you can the computer can speak out with their original voice and all. So this is how you can check with voice, or you can read by yourself. Suggestions. See, some AMBS, there is no difference found. MBAs, I said there is a mistake here. If you want to ignore all, just click on ignore all. Ignore. See, all mistakes it is showing individually. You can ignore it. That's it. Close it. That's it. This is a spell check and grammar check will be done. Okay, by pressing F7 also you can do it. Right, spelling and grammar check. We could not find any similar. This is at a loss of word. Let us suggest another way to say what you mean. Right. For this particular word, we could not find any similar word. There's only one word. It is there. Bhaskar, Basak. There is no word. There is no name also. Some typo error I have written. It is showing Basak. Right. There is no. We could not find any similar word. That's it. The word count. If you want to select how many words you entered, see page 1, words 1, characters number 6 with space 6, paragraph 0, line 1. That's it. So it shows you, it will tell you how many words are there in a page. Okay. If you select this read loud, so it will completely read out. See, in 2016, it is wonderful that instead of you are seeing the document and reading with small letters. So if you opt for this option in review, read aloud, the system itself speaks out. The only thing you require is a speaker on your system. That's it. Okay. Check accessibility. Oh, it is showing that missing alternative text 5 images or object not in line. Yes, obviously we are just doing, we are not kept in proper way. That is why it is showing the results. Okay. Merge or split cells in table 2. Check reading order 1. Hard to read text context. So these are the errors and warnings which system has given you. Suggested alternative text picture 4591 pictures. If you see picture 9, picture 5, picture 4, the side one. Okay. Page, abstract, this one, Moksha IT, general ledgers. So this is how the system will inspect all the document once. When you check accessibility button, system will give you all the results. See, warning he has given even error also. What is error? Missing alternative text. For picture 10, there is no missing text. Object 2 also, There is missing documents. Rectangular round. Okay, this is there for, but there is no use. There is no text in it. Okay, diagram 11. This is the one. Okay, chart 12. There are some missing alternatives. Okay, chart 12 is there, but there is no spreadsheet for that particular chart. So these are the missings also. System will show once it inspect everything and it gives you. This is a table cell. See, there are tables are there, but the cells are some mismatching. You have to take care of it properly. You have to do it. So this is the accessibility of check. And language. Here you can use set proofing language, language preference. As I said, English only by default will be there. If you want to add any other language, there will be some separate soft key where you have to use it. You have to install it for your laptops and system. And these comments you already seen, right? If I select new comment, it will come here on the right hand side. See, local college list I have given. So trackings is like findings. If you click this track change, lock tracking, enter password, for example, 1234. 1234. So I have just given tracking is locked. You cannot access. The tracking cannot be done now. Okay. Next you have tracking over here. It is like simple. Show markups, comments, balloons. Only mark comments. One second. See, the command has been hidden. The command has come. I removed, it gone. If I select checkbox, it will come. Insertion and deletions. Formatting, I removed it. Comments also, I removed it. So these are the options you can do it. Show markup. Formatting, that's it. This is a tracking purpose to find the document properly. Next, compare. You can compare the statements with two different legal documents. Original, it is asking.
So once again, sir, tracking, sir.
Tracking is like, once again, I need to tell tracking.
Yes, sir.
See, tracking all markups means, for example, you can see all markups I have given. One second. Let me show you. See here, it is workshop. It is under 2 lines that we given. Where is word? See, this is a markup. Habits is there, no? If I say
Yes, sir.
simple markup, no markups. See, there is no markups.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
If I say original, if I say simple markup, it comes like this. The marking.
Yes, sir.
And the show markup is like, for example, I want to comment. You can see here I have given comment also. Where it is for this or this, I have given comment. See, here I have 2 comments, right? If I select
Yes,
this
sir.
tracking, I click on show markup. If I uncheck comments, the comments will go hide from here. Okay. If I select comments,
sir.
the comments will be also reflected in the document.
Sure.
This is a review pane. You're just checking out the version, local college list meeting ID for this both. This is also move. You can keep left or right hand side or wherever you want, you can put it. You close it, closed. That's it. Comparing means comparing the 2 versions of the software. For example, I want to compare this with accounts with inventory and tally, revised document. For example, okay, this. Now it is showing compare. You can see here This is memorandum of understanding, Moksha and St. Joseph Degree College, whatever it is. This is a document statement of this. And this is another document. It means you can, at a time, you can read multiple. You are comparing it. This is original document. This is revised document. Something I'm just, for show you example, I'm just showing you, right? The same document, once you prepared one document and you made some changes, you kept this document originally and there's a changed document secondly. You want to compare it both, what exact changes you did. You can compare by keeping up and down like this, compared and revised document. Original and revised document. These both are same. These are the original. You want to close it, just close it. Close it. Don't save. I don't want. Right. So this is a there. And this is protect. Restricting editing. Now I restrict it. Here. But editing option here it tracked session. I cannot. Why? Because the protection restrict editing. It is allowing you to edit because this option is not tracked in my system. See, it is suppressed mode. It is not activated in my licensed version. This will be activated in the proper. You can see like protect. I say protect. It is protected. You can hide links also by selecting this. This is resume. Resume assistance also will be provided from the LinkedIn, help you update your resume. This is like marketing strategy. Again, it connects to the LinkedIn. Don't worry. This is not much use, but it helps you to find out the jobs once you finish your degree. Because LinkedIn is a job portal where nowadays you are getting a proper jobs and all when compared to Naukri.com and Monster. LinkedIn is a professional social network. How many of you know that LinkedIn? So better, instead of Instagram and Facebook, you just go and open your LinkedIn account, which helps you to fetch a job in your final years or after your MBA or after your CA, whatever you do. It helps. It's a professional network. Okay. So this is what review and view. You have read mode. So this is only read mode. If you select this, instead of down, it will page wise, it will come left side, just like read mode. How you will read your books or papers, the similar way. Cancel. One second. This is normal. Read mode is this. This is normal. And this is web layout. See how your document would look as a web page. This layout is also great if you have wide tables in your document. Web page, you know, right? Web page. Generally, websites. Generally, we call it as websites. This is web mode. Actually, in websites also, we have two different static and responsive. Static means is common. Responsive is like it's supposed even your Android version also. Android version or OS version of mobile. That is responsive. So this is a web mode. Print layout mode is normal, like this it will come. You can see the differences. Read mode is completely, it is there. Normal page is this and web mode is this. Just like website it looks. If you have nice tables and all, content and all, it will be better. Okay. Next you have outline. The only outlines it will show. See, there is no outline at all in the page. Complete document is under one. 13 pages are there. There is no breakups. There is no proper outlines also. There is no page numbers. You can see now there is no page numbers. It is completely under one document. Okay. View draft. It will show the draft page. But you can see the page breakups are there here. See, under there is dot lines in between. These are the page breakups, but it looks like a draft only, but the page breakups will be there. Right? Next you have focus. This is a focused version. See, you can see now differences are there. It is like your mobile. You are reading the document in your mobile, it looks similar. Okay. Just press escape, it will come to the normal. This is immersive read, close. Column width, it will come. See, like this. Width of the column will increase. That's it. Page colors. You can use page colors also, you can add it here. See, different page colors. It looks like different types of reading. While reading, you want to see the different colors. I want to use like white. You can use white. You want to use like black. The automatic then this will change into white. The pictures you cannot see, I guess. Yeah. Oh, yeah. We can see even that also. Zap. Cafeteria. See. So whatever the background, it changes to the black. So however you want, you can read it. Right? Line focus. One line. Enrollment in local. This is a one line focus. See. That's it. And text spacing and all, you know already. You've just seen it. Undergraduates. That's it. So this is how it will helps you out. So normally come back and this is a view, right? So vertical or side to side. This is side to side also, you can see. See, just like your papers. You can read side to side. Vertical means straight vertical page. That's it. Next you have show rulers, grid lines. If you want to put some highlighters, rulers and all, the similar way. Zoom means you can zoom. That also you can do it from here in the down. See, up to 500% you can zoom. Right? Next, this is 100%. This view again, one page view, two page view. This is common, quite similar to vertical and side view. See, same. Right? One page and two page view. If I select one page, it will show one page. This is broad. That's it. New window, if you click, it will open new window. It comes to the home. Right? So go to view, arrange all. See, it is arranging in different. You can see this is one page, 1 of 1/8 word. So you can arrange it or you can close it. Cancel. This is the original one. This is duplicate. Okay. I don't want to arrange. I have only two text one and this is the second one. So multiple windows of this particular Word document is open. You want to arrange it all in that one screen. It will arrange according to the size and it will show in the picture. Okay. Split. It will split. See, it's got split. The top one. It is there. This is the second one. Document as splitted separately. That's it. So remove split. The split has been gone. This is like white side by side. Two different documents side by side, you can keep it. This is document 1, text document. This is labels 2, second document. This is one document Word. This is second one. You can see. Side by side, I arranged it. Okay. Now, if I say this here, no, not required, right? Text document. You want to switch windows to labels 2? The labels 2 has come. Like you'll use not Alt tab to change. Instead of that, you can use view, switch windows. It will switch to the next one. Again, view, switch to the text document. It will come text document. That's it. Only to shift between one Word document to other document, you can use it. If two Word documents are open, right? So these are the advanced version of Microsoft Office. This will be covered on your later stage when you get into advanced of micros and macros. So that you have to personalize. I'll give you some notes for this. I mean, I'll give you some important documents where you'll get it about macros and all. So by default, end of your final year, you should learn this macros. Okay. And this properties, SharePoint properties. These both are advanced version of Word, which you have to learn. I will share some tutorials for that. You have some video channels and all. I will just share with madams. They will share you. Okay. So you just go through that. That's enough. This is all about Word document. That's it. Design you already seen. Help. Help is nothing. Contact support. Show trainings. If you click on trainings, quick start reading. So it will, some basic information will be there. Word or Windows will be there here. Any views you want to share? This is a text document. File, you can save. See, now you have prepared this. Very good. We have prepared these labels. Now go to File, Save As, to Desktop. For example, here I am telling labels test I'm given. Okay. And down you can see Word document is there. Na? Instead of Word document, you can save it as PDF also. Save. Now minimize it. The Word document is still there. The label test has come here. See, this is a PDF example I have taken. So close it. Means in your system itself, you can convert your Word document to test document. I mean, text document, Word text document to PDF document. What you have to do, just go to File, click on Save As. Here, text document. Here, Word document, you change it to PDF. And save on your desktop. The text document of Word will be there, don't worry. Okay, but the text document of PDF is come here. You can see. Text document of PDF, text document of Word. Without Word, you cannot create PDF, na? So this will be converted directly in your system by selecting. See, now you cannot edit it. Whatever you have done, you cannot edit it in the PDF. That's it. Okay.